Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to hide birthday notification on Facebook. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Facebook app. So here it is. Now click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now click on settings. Scroll down to notifications. So let's tap on this. And we can see this option called birthdays over here. Simply tap on this. Here we can simply turn this off and click on turn off. After this, there will be no notification of your birthday. If you simply tap on this, it will be turned on. You can simply choose any of these as well. If you want to only turn off SMS, you can tap on this. If you want to turn off email, you can tap on this. And you can tap on push to turn this off. And if you want to turn all of this, simply tap on this over here and click on turn off. So it's done. So this is all we need to do to hide notification of your birthday on Facebook. Now if you like the video, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.